All right, hi guys, this is Rihanna with Colton RV and Marine. Today we are looking at a 20A Sequence. So this is a Class B travel van. So it's nice, compact, a little more discreet than your full-size RVs. So this one is actually equipped with lithium battery power. It's got the reliable system, which is also paired with a Go Power solar system. So you do have solar panels on here to help trickle charge those batteries, keep them topped off throughout your adventure. It also charges off of the alternator on the vehicle. So when you're going over 45 miles per hour, those batteries are charging. So that's one awesome feature about this. We do have a power awning out here. There's an LED strip underneath there, so you can get some nice coverage on your campsite. It does clip in on the side here, so you don't have to worry about it blowing away. You do have a pop-top roof on here, so that gives you a secondary sleeping area, a nice little window, and we'll take a look at that when we go inside. So this van's equipped with a Thule bike rack, so a nice accessory for those with e-bikes, mountain bikes. It also has a hitch on the back for extra storage or small trailers. All right, so on your non-camping side of the vehicle, you do have all of your water connections, propane fill over here, satellite connection if needed for TV. Instead of having a traditional plumbing system here, you do have a cassette setup instead of having a traditional setup. So it'll be great for those who like to boondock, just a little bit more convenient. So below that we have a sewer hose that goes with it, as well as a nice light here so you can see what you're doing. All right, so this is equipped with the WineGuard Wi-Fi antenna, so that will help you to get Wi-Fi out on the road. It's going to be great for those who work remotely or just like to get off the grid. So that's all for the outside. We'll head into the inside. So we'll start in the back of the unit. So this unit it's a pretty cool setup. So you could use the sleeping area as twin beds, or you can turn it into one big bed. It's really easy to set up. You just pull this forward, lock it in, rearrange the cushions, and then you have a nice big bed. Underneath the sleeping area, you do have lots of storage. So some nice cabinets, strong hinges on them, some nice drawers to pull out pretty far. Another cabinet on this side. And then you do have access to those lithium batteries in this cabinet here. So all of that is accessible. They do finish the cabinets with a nice European veneer, so that's going to clean easily, be able to wipe down. And again, strong hinges on here, so these will stay shut during travel. The sleeping area is equipped with some nice little reading lights, so those will be convenient at night. You do have an indoor sound system, so you have a couple speakers back here. The windows in the Sequence are really nice. They are a sliding window with a screen. So that screen is attached, but you can unclip it and have the window completely open. So we have our wet bath over here. So if you're familiar with the wet bath, it's kind of all in one. So like we talked about earlier, we do have the cassette toilet. Your sink is going to be right here. And shower here, faucet down there. Our kitchen's equipped with a nice little microwave, a 2-burner propane cooktop, as well as a mini fridge. The little fridge has a freezer in the top, so pretty good size. So we have nice countertops here, solid surface with a collapsible outlet here. So you have 2 outlets, a couple USB ports there, so that's a space saver. They do put the cover on the sink to get you additional counter space, but it's also a nice stainless steel sink. As we come to the front, you have some more storage, a couple little wardrobes here and here. You have a TV here. And with this layout, you actually have a nice bench seat here that gives you 2 additional seat belts for extra seating, as well as the pop top that we talked about earlier. This pop top is equipped with a collapsible ladder, so pretty simple to use. You just fold it clip it in place and hook it into the slots. These do have locks to hold it into place. We can fold this up and we'll head into the cockpit area. Okay, so this is on a Ram chassis. You do have cruise control on the front here. It is equipped with a touchscreen dash with Sirius XM. It has Bluetooth, and you do have plugins for your phone down here. So there's USB ports that'll plug right into that radio system. You do have an emergency start button on the driver's side here. So what that will do is pull from your house batteries, charge up your chassis battery if needed. There's a lot of storage in the front here above the driver's area, and a little more storage up here as well. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Rihanna with Colton RV and Marine. You can contact us with any questions or if you're interested in this unit at 716-694-0188, and my extension is 413.